So here is the recipe for a really delicious flat iron steak. The marbling throughout this steak is just incredible. Honestly, it melts in your mouth. I would order that over a filet, personally. What we're going to do with the steak is we're going to season it on both sides with salt and pepper. We have some butter in the pan going right now. We're going to get it to just about the smoking point to where it's hot. And then we're going to put the flat iron steak in the pan, and we're going to let it cook for probably about 2.5 minutes on one side. And then we're going to turn it over and cook it on the other side for about 2.5 minutes. And then we want to cook it until about an internal temperature of about 125 to 130. And after that, we are going to pull the steak out. We're going to let it rest for at least about 5 minutes. And with the hot pan that's going with the butter and the seasoning still in there, we're going to add a mixture of portobello mushrooms and button mushrooms. We're going to saute that, and then we're going to glaze the pan with some red Cabernet Sauvignon, and then we're going to add a little heavy cream to that, and then a little demi-glace. It's like a brown sauce that we're going to add to that. And then we're going to let that simmer so you got a really nice sauce consistency. Then we're going to come back over to the flat iron where we're going to cut it on the bias. Then we're going to present it on a plate, put the sauce and the mushrooms just right in front of the flat iron, so you can dip the flat iron steak pieces in there if you'd like, or you can actually top the steak with it if you'd like.